Acorn class. I've got a mixture of set 1 and 2 sounds again today. They're all mixed up. So this is part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, go and check that out first. So they're all mixed up, set 1 and set 2 sounds. I'm going to say them first, and then you'll see them again without the sound for you to practice saying the sounds. So here we go. O, oo, O, W, I, J, ow, A, V, E, K, Qu, Oi, B, R, Sh, O, Nk, air. So now you're going to see them again without the sound for you to say the sounds. Your turn. So how did you get on, Acorn class? Did you remember all of those sounds? Remember, the videos are still there if you want to go back to some of those set 2 sounds if you still can't remember them. But you're doing a great job. Keep practicing. See you soon.